Asus ZenFone 7. ZenFone 7 Pro goes official with Snapdragon 865 motorized flip camera. Putting an end to the stream of leaks and teasers, Asus has finally taken the wraps off its latest flagship smartphones, ZenFone 7 and ZenFone 7 Pro. They're the successors to the company's wild motorized flip camera phone, ZenFone 6, or Asus 6Z in India. It brings along the same design, an upgraded flip camera module with 3 sensors, and the latest Snapdragon 865 chipsets in tow. ZenFone 7 Pro. ZenFone 7 Pro includes the same clean design as its predecessor. You have a full-screen bezel-less display on the front and a motorized flip camera mechanism on the rear. It's just that the flip camera module is now slightly bigger and houses an additional sensor. The smartphone features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ certification, and Del2E less than 1. You get a full-screen bezel-less panel here with no notches or punch holes on board, the same as its predecessor. Though you have an AMOLED display in tow here, ZenFone 7 Pro includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor that also doubles as a power button. Under the hood, ZenFone 7 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, in line with the rumors. You also have up to 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage on board. It runs Zen UI 7 based on Android 10 out of the box. The highlight of the ZenFone 7 Pro will have to the triple flip camera setup on the rear. It includes a primary 64MP, f/1.8, Sony IMX686 sensor with OIS, coupled with a 12MP ultra-wide lens, Sony IMX363 sensor, and a telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The telephoto camera also supports OIS and up to 12x digital zoom capability. This is one of the most versatile camera setups out there, especially since it can also be used to capture some stunning selfies. Asus again lets you adjust the angle at which you want to use the ZenFone 7's flip camera, which is great for getting some different style of shots into ye mix. It offers you 4K at 60fps, 8K at 30fps video recording capabilities, along with a hyper-steady mode for stable video capture. ZenFone 7 Pro comes equipped with a huge 5,000 mAh battery with 30 watts charging support via the USB Type-C port on board. Asus boasts that you can juice up 60% of the battery in about 35 minutes. ZenFone 7. There's not much to talk about the ZenFone 7 as it is exactly the same smartphone, just with the vanilla Snapdragon 865 chipset rather than the overclocked 865 Plus variant. The display, which was earlier rumored to be an LCD one, is also the same 90Hz AMOLED panel as the Pro variant. Except for the chipset, everything including the camera, battery, and hardware remains exactly the same. You can't go wrong with either of the two variants. Price and availability. The 6GB plus 128GB space variant of the ZenFone 7 has been priced at 21,990 Taiwan dollars, Rs 55,699, while the 8GB plus 128GB variant has been priced at 23,990 Taiwan dollars, Rs 60,799, in Taiwan. The ZenFone 7 Pro arrives in a single 8GB plus 256GB variant that has been priced at 27,990 Taiwan dollars, Rs 70,899, in Taiwan. The company will most likely bring the ZenFone 7 to India as the Asus 7Z. We expect it to be priced slightly lower than the exorbitant prices of the device, possibly due to higher taxes in its home country.